Okay, at this point we have the wire from the tremolo claw, we have the wires from the output jack, we have our completed electronics assembly. To protect the body, we want to put a piece of cloth over the edge while we're working here, because we're going to have the pickguard sitting right close to it. First thing we want to do is attach the white wire, which comes from the output jack, to the volume, the center lug of the volume pot. Right here, we'll attach that. And then all the black wires, the two from the body, both black wires will be attached to the back of the volume pot right here. And the one black wire that's already there will be screwed onto the body. There's a lug that I soldered on the end here that's for ground. I'll take care of that and then show you what it looks like. Okay, now I've got the final connections of our ground wires onto the volume pot. Our ground wire that goes to the body, let me back up so you can see that. That attaches to a screw inside this pickup cavity right here. We can remove our white cloth for protection and start to flip the pickguard over into place on the body. So that's what we'll do now. Rotating this carefully. Being careful to tuck the wiring into the cavity here. And there you have it. Now we start putting the gold pickguard screws in place to hold the pickguard down. There's 11 of these on standard American Strats made after the 60s. Actually beginning in the mid-60s. All Strats have an 11-hole pattern. In the early 60s there was a different 11-hole pattern, and then in the 50s it was a 8-hole pattern. And the American-made Stevie Ray Vaughan Strat's patterned after a late 50s Strat in terms of the hole pattern. It uses 8. But again, using the gold screws we can achieve a really nice looking guitar here. I'll finish putting on the screws. Again, you want to be careful when you're tightening these screws that you just get them snug, you don't over tighten them. So you can definitely strip them if you turn them too much. Okay, looking good. We're ready to plug this in and test the electronics. You can actually tap the pickups using the selector switch. You can tap the pickups to make sure that when you're in the first position, the neck pickup is working, in the middle position, middle pickup, and in the bridge position that the bridge pickup is working. So I'll go test it and then we'll get back together to install the tremolo, and then the last step will be to put on the neck.